Damn, is your skin dry? Is your pores clogged? You want to know how to clear it out, girl? Stick around. I got you. Hey, how you doing? Long time no see. Just kidding. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Camille Chanel. If this is your first time hanging out with me, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My YouTube channel is dedicated to the travels of my transitioning hair from relaxer to keratin to natural, in addition to my skincare routine. I love a good skincare routine. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some detox skincare, as I've been kind of a bit on the travels and been through some things, and the skin's been a bit through a suffering and dehydrating, and it's time to show my skin some love. So we're gonna get started with this video where the cleansing begins in the shower. Because this is a facial focused shower, I start off by gently patting my face with a damp, warm cloth, just to go ahead and get my pores saturated and ready to open up and soak up some of the steam I'm about to get going here in the shower. After my steamy shower, I begin my facial routine with Vinopure Gel Cleanser by Caudalie. I use this cleanser every morning as a part of my daily AM routine. I'm going to first give my face a lovely little round one washing with my hands. This is to get that easy layer of residual dirt and makeup off, and you'll notice that I show a little extra love to my nose and chin. These are my most clogged and oily areas. For round two, I'm going to apply the cleanser to this cleansing sponge that I got from Sephora, and I gently exfoliate my face with the sponge in a sweeping motion. All I'm trying to do here is grab a hold of that excessive grossness in my chin and nose area. Another thing that I do to unclog the pores in my nose area is a little something that I call a nostril press. And I do this to force out some of that sebum and stuff from the pores in my nose. Steamy shower concluded, I first show my lips some love with this hydrating lip peel by Stacked Skincare. This is my absolute favorite lip treatment, especially for dark lips. This stuff will lighten dark lips over time. Over the lips peel, I smooth on this O'Keeffe's Lip Repair. The O'Keeffe's is so moisturizing, hydrating, and healing on my lips. I love this product. It applies like silk. Together, the lip peel and the lip repair keep my lips soft, supple, and healthy. Next, we jump right in with our Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay and apple cider vinegar. Not just any apple cider vinegar. This has the mother. Listen to this. That fizzing is the sound of the chemical reaction taking place between highly acidic apple cider vinegar and the very alkaline bentonite clay. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the ACV with water and do a patch test first. So now that we've mixed, it's time to apply. Okay, so you may have noticed that I'm pretty much just brushing this mask all over my face. I have no rhyme or reason to how I'm applying this mask. I just know that I need to get it all over, especially in my trouble areas, that being my nose and my chin. I try to be careful to avoid my under eye area. I especially don't want to apply anything under my eyes that's going to dry out. For that reason, I reserved my under eye area for these gel eye patches by Petite Fée. I gently place one patch under each eye. I ensure that I smooth out any bubbles. And once I'm done with that, application of my clay mask and under eye treatment is complete. A lot of people like to wait for their mask to dry completely out, but you're not actually supposed to do that. I have some things to do, so we'll see. Hey Cam Fam, it's been about 45 minutes. As you can see, my face is completely dry. Gonna remove the under eye patches that I placed to keep my under eyes moisturized. This mask does not come off easily all over, so keep a rag handy so you can wipe away whatever residue is left behind. We are nearing the fresh-faced finish line with just a few products left to go. Next is the Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer by Laneige. I'm just going to apply this to a cotton ball, dab all over, and get it dry. This is the Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shot by Sweet Chef. It's made to hydrate and soothe dry skin. As you can see, my skin is visibly red, so this product is gonna help soothe down that redness. Soothing effects aside, this product is extremely hydrating and moisturizing without being oily. Finishing up, this is the Water Cream by Touted. This product is amazing at moisturizing without being heavy or clogging my pores. It is a water-based moisturizer, perfect for use after a pore cleansing facial. And there you have it, Cam Fam. My Indian healing clay and apple cider vinegar full facial routine. As you can see, our after facial care products have greatly reduced the redness, and that will continue to reduce in the coming minutes. Okay, Cam Fam, thanks for sticking around with me today while I shared with you my favorite routine for cleansing out these pores without using a tool or device. Yes, 100% manual skincare brought to you here today by moi, Camille Chanel, right here on YouTube. Tool and device free skincare. I will see you on the next one.